How to change wallpaper in laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change wallpaper in laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to head towards your desktop and on an empty space, you have to right click. Once this menu box pop up in your interface, here click on personalize. That's gonna take you to the settings page. So under personalization, head towards the background and click on it. Now once you land on the background page, here you can choose from different options. Under personalize your background, click on this drop down. Now you can add a picture or solid color, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight as your background. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from there. If you go with solid color, you can choose a different color that you want to add as your background color. If you want to go with picture, go with picture. And now from your recent images, you can select your image that you want to set as your background. Or if you like to choose a different photo from your device, head towards browse photos button, and now from your device you can add your wallpaper that you want in your laptop. And under choose a feed for your desktop image, you can choose a feed. Click on this drop down, and from here you can choose your preferred feed, whether you want it to be fill, fit, stretch, tiled, sender, or span. And that's the way to change wallpaper in laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.